Welcome to Bentong, a district in western Pahang, Malaysia. It is located approximately 80 kilometers from the northeast of Kuala Lumpur. And this is where the Malaysian National Open House 2017 Chinese New Year edition is about to take place. It is organized by the Ministry of Tourism and Culture Malaysia in collaboration with GHA Events and Remberat. The Malaysian National Open House concept is a series of events celebrating the major festivals in Malaysia, such as Deepavali, Aidilfitri, Christmas, and many more. And I would like to bring your attention to Dataran Bentong for an experience of a lifetime. Singing early 一起到了，穿线依然后等着无茶声道，快乐的新年多热闹，每一个人真的开心，新年到，恭喜呀恭喜呀恭喜你，每个人恭喜呀恭喜呀恭喜你。
我是小烈，在马来西亚长大的马来人，我觉得很特别，因为每年我们可以在这里不同的宗族一起庆祝新年。我要祝大家新年快乐，万事如意，鸡年行大运。
祝你新年新年快乐，祝你新年新年快乐，全马来西亚祝你新年快乐快乐快乐。欢迎财神到，每个人快乐，快乐，快乐。新年快乐，快乐。
Saya rasa acara MRTM ni sangatlah meriah. Saya ingin mengambil kesempatan untuk mengucapkan selamat Tahun Baru Cina kepada semua rakyat Malaysia.
KL to Bentong, we jam to this song. Gotta live it up. Gotta live it up. Open house. Can you hear the rhythm go? Don't shout. Everybody go. Everybody go. Everybody go. Don't shout.
Selamat Tahun Baru Cina, 恭喜发财。
我的名是董祥杰，我的家住在学某，恭喜发财，新年快乐，万事如意。
Chinese New Year, also known as the Spring Festival, is an important Chinese festival celebrated at the turn of the traditional lunisolar Chinese calendar. Celebrations traditionally run from the evening preceding the first day to the Lantern Festival on the 15th day of the first calendar month. And this year is the Year of the Rooster. The New Year festival is centuries old and gained significance because of several myths and customs. Traditionally, the festival was a time to honor deities as well as ancestors. Activities include lighting firecrackers, giving money in red paper envelopes, and decorating homes with red-colored papers with popular themes of good fortune, happiness, wealth, and longevity. Let us all take a moment to experience this celebration at Dataran Bentong, Pahang. And this is the Malaysian National Open House Chinese New Year 2017.
Dan kita lihat walaupun kita menyambut tahun baru Cina, tetapi ramai juga orang Melayu, orang India, orang asli yang hadir pada malam ini bersama-sama kita berkumpul dan mengeratkan persahabatan perpaduan antara kita semua.
Rakyat negara kita berbilang kaum, berbilang budaya, berbilang agama, dan kita dapat sama-sama meraihkan tahun baru Cina bersama pada malam ini di Dataran Bentong.
Saya ucapkan selamat menyambut tahun baru Cina. Songsi Songsi Fat Chai.